Welcome to another video on my Arduino Yun Series 2. Second video series actually. Not a new Arduino. And as last time I updated the firmware, because the Arduino Yun is an Arduino with limited functionality, host USB, power USB, network and embedded Linux. I updated, upgraded, changed the OpenWRT Linux version that was running on here with a new version on that is stored here. That failed, kind of. Well, actually completely, because what they claim is that you can then see the new version appearing on Wi-Fi, and I haven't seen that happen. So right now I'm stuck with well, not these lines, because I also put a power connector to a stable power source, and everything works. But what doesn't work anymore is this, because this is connected here. And this only works when the program runs. The program only runs when Linux runs, when I can access the board, which I right now cannot. So in this episode I hope that I can revive the board somehow and then go on. If not, it's exit board. So let's see if we can get things done and have a blinking LED again, because that is what I ended with. Yeah, on the OpenWRT website it mentions several ways to revive. So let's check if that works or not. One of the options that I have, and let me first introduce the rest. So Arduino IDE with the Arduino Yun 2 script, which used to work. Of course the camera with not yet inserted image, Arduino, etc. And this is for possible. This is no good. This is better, but I lack an IP address, so I can't do that yet. On this OpenWRT project page, they mention several things how to maybe recover. And one of the things they mention here is power off, then reset button, which is located here, and then power on again. So let's do that. Power off. Press button. Power on. And see whatever happens. If anything. And unfortunately I don't see many things happen. So let me once again check if anything actually does happen right now. But I don't see it yet, which is quite unfortunate. It assumes that there is some rescue partition or image, but it's device dependent. If I would have installed it on an SD card, it would be different, but I overrode the entire operating system. So dependent on this device, the Arduino Yun, I can manage or I don't. Usually you can do something. And let's just wait a bit, because how long do you have to take it? Switch off. Connect the client to the device via internet. Yes. Oh, wait. Connect the device via internet. Yes. The reset button, which is right on this side. Turning device. You can release the reset button after a few seconds. Then 15 to 20 seconds. Well, this is supported by D-Link, TP-Link, etc. No mention of the Yun. While the Yun is definitely supported according to this one. So let me... And here we have it. And the problem is, it says here 18062. But that didn't work out for me at all. So that is a big question. And this one did work out, 17 something. So maybe it will, maybe it won't. Well, 20 seconds have long passed. Do I see anything happening? Nothing that actually looks like either LED, or OpenWRT. Nothing like it. So I think I'm going to try more, see more. And looking at Arduino Yun recovery methods, they mention another button that I so far have overlooked, and that is a button right here. So when I move this one, there's a Yun reset. So if I press this one, hold it a few seconds, what will happen then, if anything? And so far I am not seeing any serial LEDs or wireless LAN or USB flashing. USB is logical because this is USB, but wireless is something else, and it doesn't do anything. So let me just press it again. And maybe it just wants this one. Let me insert it. Press again. Seeing anything new? Nope, nothing new. No, not yet. Maybe too impatient. Well, whatever, let me remove this thing altogether. So it has Wi-Fi reset. It has some other reset and then Yun reset. But why is it stuck now? Go see the manual. Let's do that then. And yes, usually you prepare something, but you don't expect that flashing a new firmware will give this result. So whatever is going now, who knows what the result will be. Interestingly, this seems to be the key to whatever restoration it might be. And let me get this wire out for now, because something else is going on. This is wireless LAN reset, and according to a result that I found so far, is that this might be a Yun reset, but to restore everything and anything and lose everything what you've previously done is press this button, as far as it is a button, because I don't see a knob here like I see here, for 30 seconds, and then it will do something. So using a screwdriver, I'm trying to press this one for 30 seconds and then see whatever it gives me, all or nothing. And 30 seconds is boring to watch, so I'll do that off camera. And I have yet another problem, because according to the information that I find right here, when pressing this button, or whatever looks like it, should make the WLAN wireless LAN button blink for 5 seconds or start blinking. That does not happen. So either the whole procedure is over, or I'm not pressing it the right way, because right now I've pressed it in 3 different ways, using this and oops, keep dropping things, using this. It still doesn't work. So whatever I should do, I'm not quite sure, but this is hopefully not the end. I will keep trying, but for now the options are over, I'm afraid. I can do one more thing by connecting this one, then once again, well, let's just use a screwdriver. And there's nothing happening at all. There should be an LED go blinking, but it's just not happening. that's it. That's that for now. Here, nothing else has come to life, unfortunately. So that's it. Yeah, I hoped, of course, that I would have a nice functioning LED or Yun with a nice circuit, coded to run, etc. But that's not happening, unfortunately. I'll keep trying and then come back, but who knows. And so my so far final attempts on recovering the Yun have ended. This is only applicable for what's on the board. This should be in here, but is of absolutely no use without the running program, and LEDs that should burn don't. So thanks for watching. If you like this video anyway, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show support by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired, IBAN in Europe. And you can also choose to become a patron, and depending on the pledge you make, may have your name mentioned either on my website or on my website and my videos in several ways. Have a look at my Patreon page for more information. Have a look at my website for more information under this video. This is maybe going to be continued, who knows. For now, have a nice day and bye bye.